Hey, it's Angelo on Wheels. Over here I have a 2022 F-150 Platinum. This one is equipped with pretty much all the options. It has the 3.5 EcoBoost twin turbo V6, rated at about 400 plus horses. I believe about 470 pounds-feet of torque. This thing moves. This aluminum body keeps that weight down. It's got the approach, so the deployables automatically come down. Let's just do a quick walk around on it, and we're gonna do a POV drive. This one is pre-owned. This one has right around 99,000 miles, and it's currently for sale. I'll put the links in the description. Once you get to the Platinum trim, you do get a very nice interior. You got leather finishes, some suede, special stitching from the seats with Platinum written on it so that you're reminded that you are in a Platinum. It does have a B&O sound system. And as we can see, the amount of space that you get in the back of these trucks is a lot. Tons of space. And the passengers back here do get treated to heated seats. They have their own vents and charging ports and a 120. Probably one of my favorite features of Fords and Lincolns is gonna be that keypad. Same thing on the driver's door. Excellent finishes. So with 99,000 miles, this car has definitely aged very well. This one does have the massaging seats, your panoramic roof. We do have Sync 4 in here. Let's turn this 3.5 twin turbo on. You got wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You get everything. So you got the heated seats, the ventilated seats. Let's go ahead and turn on the massaging seats. I need a full recovery. Boy's been at work all day. Yeah. Excellent interior. The Platinum, you got speakers up top. And then you also do get the upgraded dash. And then, so if we change the driving mode, you're gonna see that screen turn with you. Normal, slippery. And it will change the transfer box. Check that out. And then I want to go back to let's put it in sport mode. So it changes the view. We're gonna just go back to normal. The way that this 3.5 twin turbo puts down the power with a 10-speed transmission, it's very little things out there that are like it. All right, let's go on this POV. Let's do it. And driving one of these the whole experience in driving one of these is it feels very powerful. I didn't even stop there. I mean, it just puts the power down. Again, this truck is for sale. I'm gonna put the links in the description. So what I just felt there, so this does have Ford's Co-Pilot 360. So it's got lane keep assist, forward collision alert with automatic braking. This one also has the adaptive cruise control. And I don't know if you guys, I don't think you noticed, but back there just pulled me back into my lane because I was kind of swerving off a little bit. Let's go. I mean, it just has torque, like the way it puts the power down. You just gotta drive one of these. If you haven't driven one of these with the 3.5 twin turbo, you just gotta get a feel for it. Very nice ride though. Very comfortable. Got my ventilated and massaging seat going on right now. So I am extremely comfortable up here. Just turn that off. If you're in the market for one of these, this one again is for sale. I will put the links in the description. This Platinum. This one is brought to us courtesy of Apple for Lincoln here in Columbia, Maryland. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna open her up here a little bit, get some of that power, free up those ponies a little bit. Let's go. Look how quick that goes up. And just like that, we were almost going 70 there. We're just gonna exit right here. (2022) F-150, man, the way it just puts the power down. It puts the power down. What I was gonna say is an F-150. America's #1 selling vehicle. Excellent braking, great control. Just like that. No hesitation. Alrighty guys, thank you so much. If you made it this far in the video and you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. I have about 100 plus vehicles here, and it's changing every month that I'm going to be making content on. Thank you so much. Peace.